Far beyond the ordinary, there exists a house where style meets splendor amidst lush landscapes. Step through grand wooden doors into a charming abode filled with elegance and warmth. The living room boasts a sunken layout, plush teal sofas, and sunlight streaming through large windows. In the kitchen, vibrant red cabinets contrast with gleaming appliances, creating an artistic retro vibe. Retreat to the bedroom, where minimalist design and nature views promise serenity and rest. End your tour on a vibrant patio adorned with retro charm and enchanting garden views.